I want to wish you a happy birthday and that agsimsimpet ka pa and that you won't really get on my nerves all the time. So, I wish you many more happy blessings and that you will be always good to your parents and you know how to be respectful always at home, at school, and everywhere. Happy birthday.
Yo! What's up mga ka-jive? Ayan at ngayon nga yung birthday ni Jamil. Ayan o.
Signet mo.
Kaya lang madilim. So mamaya nga lang muna. Yun na nga mga ka-jive, nandito na tayo sa venue dahil ito na yung birthday ni Jamil. So wait lang namin yung pagpasok niya doon sa loob. Ayan. So tayo natin mamaya.
personality never stop changing the lives of your family. Enjoy every moment of your youth because it won't come again. The best years of your life are still ahead of you. Embrace, be confident, and set out an infinite and exciting journey. Happy birthday, Jamil.
Happy birthday, Jamil. As your ate, Eunice, I know that we always sweat naman ni Jibalay, pero I want to wish you a happy birthday and that agsimsimpet ka pa and that you won't really get on my nerves all the time na. So, I wish you many more happy blessings and that you will be always good to your parents and you know how to be respectful always at home, at school, and everywhere. Happy birthday.
Kiss!
Happy 7th
Very short message, but very meaningful. Thank you, Ate Cyrene.
Hi Jamil, happy 7th birthday. Continue on studying well. Always be kind, generous, and happy as you bring happiness in everyone's lives, especially to your mom and dad. Again, happy birthday.
Yes.
Seven candles, seven wishes, and a world of dreams waiting for you next year. May your 7th birthday be filled with the kind of joy that you bring to everyone. Happy birthday. Blessing as you turn 7, may your days be as golden and precious as you are to everybody. Happy 7th birthday, Jamil. May God bless you.
Thank you, Ate Jamie. Picture.
Yun mga ka-jive, tapos na yung birthday ni Jamil at hindi ko na masyadong nabidyoan lahat dahil naging busy na tayo, tapos lubat pa lahat halos ng mga camera. Kaya yun, hindi natin nakuhanan lahat, no? Pero yun nga, tapos na, at least tapos na. Kaya gusto ko lang shoutout yung mga tumulong sa amin, kay Glidel at saka doon sa asawa niya. Thank you. So yun, hanggang dito na lang at nagliligpit na lang tayo. So hanggang dito na lang, bye bye.